Hey guys, how's it going? So I am so excited. This is my second box from Hey guys, so I wanted to unbox for you guys. I have not seen this yet and I'm actually really excited. My FabFitFun box. It is my second one. I got my first one last season for fall, and now I have a winter box and I'm so excited. So, it's a subscription box of like a bunch of hand-picked stuff that you get. So I got a Bluetooth shower speaker so I can sing terribly in the shower. A calendar from Paper Source. Like, this is a really, really nice quality agenda, so I can be organized and stylish. It's super cute. Like, it's like embossed. Has like a nice rubber gold band. I'm so excited. Like, this is really nice. It has like little tabs. It's month and it's also by week. Like, that's so cool. And then their boxes, they're always so pretty. They're so happy and decorative. Like, how cute is this? Does this not just like make you happy? How could you not love this? Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. So it says, like on the front, FabFitFun. Oops, it's already dumping out. So we have Maria Shriver on the front. We have a magazine that I think it tells you, I don't know. Obviously I didn't read the last one very closely. Yeah, so cool. There's a magazine. HelloFresh coupon. What is this? Oh, pass on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. Okay, so inside, oh my gosh, is this. It's so pretty. So let's see what we got. So first things first, goat milk moisturizing cream. I'm obsessed with facial products because I want to look young forever. Let's see. So this is Kate Somerville. Smells good. It doesn't smell like goat cheese, so that's cool. I don't know what the benefit of goat milk is. And then this like gives me a 20% coupon and free shipping if I choose to reorder. Ooh, these are awesome. Okay, so this is a brush cleaner. So like when you're using your brushes and say that, you know, I'm going in with a dark color, I can clean it on this. It has like a rough edge to it and it'll clean my brush off. So I don't need like a million brushes. And I think this is probably, yeah, this is a lid. And I can put this in my makeup bag. It's a nice little tin. Very handy. I've had these before and I lose them, so. Ooh, Dry Bar. It's a Prime and Prep detangler. Nice, I love some Dry Bar. A pomade, wow, Nourishing Balm to Oil. LXMI. We massage it into our skin. Use as an overnight facial mask. Okay, because I would have thought pomade would be for your hair, but apparently not. We suggest around eyes or lips or on dry patches. Let's see how it smells. Usually their stuff smells really good, and it's all like hand-picked. And you get to customize it. It doesn't really smell like anything major. This is organic, so I don't know, I guess that's better, right? It's kind of hard to squeeze out. Okay. It doesn't really smell like anything major, but okay. So we have Soft Focus Glow Drops. Ooh, an illuminating ultimate glow primer. This is perfect because I'm running low on my primer and I'm not crazy about it. So I'm always happy to try something new. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, such a nice bottle too. I like that. Like, feels weighted. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Be radiant with soft focus glow drops formulated with actives to brighten the complexion. Apply 2 drops and pat into clean, dry face. Nice. I'm totally gonna put that to some use. Let's see, what's this? This is Yoga. A calm and clean Epsom salt bath wash. Cool. It's taped down so it doesn't end up all over. I'm gonna smell it. Has a nice little pump on it, which is, I always like that for my soap products. Smells good. Smells very relaxing. Oh, with lavender oil. Daily cleansing ritual. I like it. A makeup eraser. I've used these before. I wasn't crazy about it. So maybe I need to watch like a tutorial or something. Makeup wipes forever. I don't know. So you can reuse it over and over and over again. Okay, and then dun, 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 I have some slippers, which I'm super excited about. It's a gray color with like a faux fur interior. So I can get my slippers on because I never have socks. I don't know why. So that's my FabFitFun box. I love this because it just introduces you to new products. You can customize it. So they give you like early dibs on customizing it, so you can kind of have a little control over over what you get in your box. Ooh, let's look at this. I'm gonna take this out. Ooh, oh, this is my speaker. I am so gonna rock it out and totally sing in the shower. Anyways, I can't recommend them enough. I think they're amazing. I really like it. So you should check out FabFitFun.